Welcome to Joda Decor, your go-to channel for vintage decor inspiration. Today, we're diving into shabby chic vintage decorating ideas that will transform your home into a soft, feminine, and cozy haven. If you love vintage style and cozy vibes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like this video, and share your favorite shabby chic tips in the comments below. Shabby chic is all about softness, so start by embracing a palette of soft pastels like blush pink, mint green, and powder blue. These gentle hues create a calming and inviting atmosphere that instantly adds femininity to any space. One of the hallmark features of shabby chic is distressed or weathered furniture. Look for vintage pieces with chipped paint or natural wear that give your home an authentic, well-loved look. Don't be afraid to sand or whitewash furniture yourself to achieve that perfect worn charm. Incorporate delicate floral patterns into your decor with slipcovers, curtains, or throw pillows. Soft roses, peonies, and small floral prints work best, adding a romantic and timeless feel to your shabby chic space. Accessorize with vintage finds like ornate mirrors, antique clocks, and old-fashioned candle holders. These charming details bring character and a story to your home, making every corner feel cozy and curated. Add warmth and comfort with layered textiles such as lace curtains, crochet throws, and embroidered cushions. Mixing textures gives your rooms depth and softness, perfect for that cozy shabby chic vibe. Choose warm, soft lighting with vintage-inspired lamps or fairy lights to create a gentle glow. Avoid harsh overhead lights. Instead, aim for ambient lighting that enhances the feminine and intimate atmosphere. Get creative by repurposing old furniture or decor items. An antique trunk can become a coffee table, or an old ladder can display blankets. These upcycled elements add charm while embracing sustainability. Shabby chic isn't about perfection, it's about blending different vintage styles and eras. Mix rustic farmhouse with French provincial or Victorian accents to build a unique and inviting space. Lighten your space with whitewashed walls or floors. This bright base enhances the softness of your pastel accents and distressed furniture, creating an airy and spacious feeling that's essential in shabby chic design. Bring the outdoors in by decorating with fresh flowers and greenery. Simple blooms in vintage vases add life, color, and a natural fragrance, completing the feminine and cozy ambience. Incorporate personal treasures like family heirlooms, handwritten notes, or handmade crafts. These intimate details make your shabby chic decor feel truly yours and add a warm, inviting spirit to every room. Thank you so much for joining us today on Joda Decor. We hope these shabby chic vintage decorating ideas inspire you to create a soft, feminine, and cozy home. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment sharing your favorite shabby chic tip or project. See you next time for more vintage decor inspiration.